Well, hello and welcome to the Ricebird News. Can you believe it's March already? Wow. Speaking of March, this Friday, March 4th, is Maintenance Worker Appreciation Day. I'd like to recognize all the maintenance workers of El Campo ISD for getting the job done right. They make sure our classrooms, offices, and libraries are running smoothly. We are thankful for their dedication to our school district. Keep up the great work. Some upcoming reminders: spring break is right around the corner. Students and staff will have the entire week of March 14th through 18th off. Students will have an additional day off on Monday, March 21st, while the staff participates in a professional development day. In the board report from last Tuesday, the board approved our Return to Learn plan. There were some modifications, and the board gave approval to waive the February 4th bad weather day. Students will not have to make up that day, and staff will receive their full salary and pay. Around the district, at the Junior Ag Mechanics Show, Brighton Muller was named champion in the Yard and Garden Equipment Division, earning a $10,000 San Antonio Livestock Show and Rodeo Scholarship. She was also awarded the Ronnie and Terry Urbansic Stewardship Award, which was another $10,000 scholarship. So congratulations on your $20,000 in scholarship earnings from this weekend in San Antonio. In sports, the Ricebird basketball team closed out their season last week in a tight and tough loss to Houston Fur in the playoffs. Also, congratulations to the 3 basketball players who made the 24 4A All-District team. Trinston Foley and Ladarian Lewis made first team, and Oliver Miles was second team. Varsity tennis recently racked up some hardware at the Wharton Invitational. Congratulations to the doubles teams of Devin Rubish and Jacob Shilhab, Owen Lyford and Emily Glaze, Haley Tupa and Eli Lyford, and Madeline Glaze and Sydney Blair. Individual medals were awarded to Trace Hyman and Colin Cherney. Way to go, Ricebirds and Coach Pavlou. It's a great week to get out and catch some Ricebird sports in action. The weather's starting to warm up. Our varsity baseball team plays at the Yoakum tournament this weekend, while the JV will host a weekend tournament at Legacy Fields. The girls softball teams play in tournaments this weekend also. The varsity is at Ridge Point, and the JV is in Victoria. Check out the softball and baseball websites for game times. Soccer is also at home this week. The JV girls play at home versus Sweeney tomorrow at 7:15. And on Saturday, the varsity boys and girls play Wharton. The boys start at 10 and the girls at 12. Again, both games right here at Ricebird Stadium. And finally, our COVID positive cases from last week. We are continuing to see a decrease and a lowering in those numbers, with only 1 case reported in El Campo ISD last week, the week of February 21st through the 5th. That's all for now. Thanks for joining us. Have a great week and see you next week.